Off-duty cop shot, injured after going to investigate explosions. Woman shot and killed in Gregory Park. Female among four held as cops seize illegal firearm during raid. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Two men, including an off-duty police constable assigned to the Mapian police station, were shot and injured in separate but related incidents in a Clarendon community on Friday evening. Reports from the police are that around 8:30 p.m., a 21-year-old laborer was sitting outside a relative's shop on Inverness Drive when two gunmen approached and opened gunfire at him. He was reportedly shot in the lower part of his body. The off-duty constable was at a church proceeding nearby, heard the explosions, and went to investigate. He reportedly met upon the gunmen and challenged them. They reportedly returned the fire. The police constable was shot and the gunmen reportedly escaped on foot in the area. A 47-year-old mother, Natoya Roden, was shot and killed in Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine on Friday about 1:45 p.m. Residents alleged that Roden was very vocal in the community about the recent rape of one of her family members. However, it is still unclear what led to the brazen daylight shooting. Police investigation continues. A firearm and several rounds of ammunition were seized by the police during an operation at a home in Old England District in Manchester on Friday, July 26. Reports from the Mandeville police are that about 3 p.m., lawmen armed with a search warrant conducted an operation at a house in the community. During the search, a Taurus 9mm pistol fitted with a magazine containing 10 9mm rounds was found beneath articles of clothing in a room. 3 men and a woman who were at the house at the time of the discovery were taken into custody. However, their names are being withheld pending further investigations.